Welcome back. We will continue from here. Which of the following is not the function of conducting part of respiratory system? So the respiratory system is divided into two parts. Conducting part starts from nostrils and it ends in terminal bronchiole, and the alveolar duct and alveoli, they constitute the gas exchange part. It clears inhaled air from foreign particles. Yes, it clears. Inhaled air is humidified, correct. Temperature of inhaled air is brought to body temperature. This is also correct. So this has to be the right answer. So this is what you need to remember. Human respiratory system is divided into two parts, conducting part and gas exchange part. And this starts from nostril and ends in terminal bronchiole. This includes alveolar ducts and alveoli. So what is the role of conducting part of the respiratory system? First thing, this is going to transport the atmospheric air to the alveoli. Now there's a reason why mouth breathers are called stupid. It is, don't take it as a bully. Maybe when you don't want to be called a stupid person, you will always close your mouth and breathe from nose. When you do that, the air which is transported in the conducting system, it will be cleared of foreign particles, because first things first, the air moves upward, okay, and then it moves downward. So the anatomy is such that all the dust particles in the air will get stuck to the mucus, and there are hair also, so large particles will also be trapped by hair and small particles will be trapped by mucus. When it goes downward, then it will be clear of all these dust particles and foreign particles. Second thing, it humidifies, because the internal alveolar environment is very delicate. It is very thin membrane, almost 1 cell thick. So dry air can harm it. So this conducting part and the mucus helps in humidifying the air. The last point is, it brings the air to body temperature. So this is how the conducting part makes the air suitable to reach till alveoli.